Welcome to the Legal View with Farah Farah. I'm Chuck Farah, and today with me is Eddie Farah, my partner. Eddie, what's on your mind today?
Well, Chuck, we're going to talk about trespassers. We get a lot of phone calls in the office from people who want to know whether or not they can be sued if a trespasser is injured on their property. First of all, let's define a trespasser. A trespasser is someone who comes onto your property without your permission, without your consent, and is there for his or her own benefit. Under Florida law, you as a property owner's duty to a trespasser is to warn the trespasser of any dangerous condition that you know of and that the trespasser doesn't know about or could not have known about without a reasonable inspection.
Yeah, this reminds me of the old law school example of a property owner having a bear trap on their property, and a trespasser comes in and gets trapped by the bear trap, and the property owner in that situation was responsible because the person coming onto the property would not have been able to see the bear trap upon a reasonable inspection. I think in practical terms, if you're a property owner, the best thing you can do is put a sign up on your property saying no trespassing. And if there are some conditions on the property that need to be warned about, then make sure that's spelled out on the sign. And then you're probably pretty much covered against trespassers.
Yeah, I tell you, Chair, that brings to mind a case I just recently read about where a trespassing horseback rider came onto someone's property. He was a trespasser and was injured when he ran into the barbed wire fence, and this happened at night. The property owner knew that people were coming on his property at night. He could see the tracks from the previous horseback riders, and he was sued in that situation, and a recovery was made because he knew people were coming onto his property, even though they were trespassers, and he failed to warn them of the barbed wire fence.
Right, in that situation, a simple sign saying no trespassing, barbed wire, there's barbed wire on the property or something to that effect to give some warning would have covered that property owner from any liability.
That's right.